Hey guys, I have an unboxing from your creative studio. It had just come in and I wanted to open it with you. So it comes in a nice plasticky outer wrap envelope, and then you get a really sturdy box. Why is that wonky? You get this really sturdy box so none of your goodies get upset. So I think this is June 23. Let's open it up. So there we have it. It's just yourcreativestudio.com to get your hands on goodies. There's a nice little thank you card with beautiful artwork. They always use the same tissue paper. Since I've been getting them, they do. Let's take a look. I'm going to get all of these goodies out, and I tend to open them from the bottom down because, you know, we start with paper and all of that. So let's see what we have. So this is the paper ephemera. There's 24 sheets. There is sticker paper, vellum paper, art paper, and pattern paper, and they repeat. So these will be the 6 designs. And then they are about, I don't know, 8.5 by 5 3/4-ish for the size. Ishy-ish. Okay, let me get the gluey bits off. So I'm not going to show you, the same ones over and over. So this feels like the regular scrapbook paper. It is very nice. Gorgeous orchid. Look at the vibe of them. So pretty. And then we've got this bit right here. It is gorgeous. What are these called? They're you put alum in the soil and they can turn, you know what they are. Never mind. It'll pop in my head in a second. Have them plant hydrangeas. Yes, that's what they are. So the hydrangeas, and these look like irises. It's so beautiful. I love that tone in the watercoloring right there. So we've got a little bit of a pattern overlay with the florals, the pretty green, and nice little touches of blue. Oh, so here's some blue. Repeating pattern, kind of looks like a Spanish tile. Very pretty. And then this is the last one. And these are all on like a vanilla going into craft kind of vibe. And these are just, that like damask kind of pattern. And then, there's the sticker paper, the vellumy paper, guys. Look at how pretty. So against white, it really pops. So super pretty. So that's our papers. So pretty. And like I said, they repeat and repeat, right? So we've got them. Now, let's see what's next. What's this? It says Mo Card. I love the little packages. Purple Dawn Original Matchbox Material Paper. Cute little present. I called them a Prezzie last time and a bunch of people asked me what is a Prezzie. So now I'm like, Oh my gosh, guys, that's embossed. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So we've got these adorable little cards, and this paper has like this beautiful texture on it. I don't know if it is, but it feels like handmade paper, like fibery. That's embossed as well. Yep, same thing. They're beautifully embossed. We've got this gorgeous pale orchidy color, and then this it's not like a bright white like my mat, but it is pretty close, and they look like little tags. And then let's see, Willow Orchid. We've got this piece. I would totally fussy cut that out because I think they're beautiful. A nice little journaling spot, circular journaling spots, more little tags, and then this piece right here with Willow Orchid. Okay, so that's super fun. Get it back in there, guys. Love the packaging, the cute little boxes. I think it's so fun. Okay, so next, Retro Library Series. Let's see what this is. Come here. So it's a cute little chunky book, guys. Like it's literally, let me see. It is like 2.5 inches tall by like 1.5. So it's this cute little chunky book. And there's all kinds of different things like postcards and things that look like letters. And what's that? Well, it's in a different language. Like maybe a bill of sale. That looks like a little bit of a letter, and we have the really bright pink in there. Looks like a postcard again. So super cute, chunky little bits. These are so good for like art journals and like traveler's notebooks, or ooh, even memory planning. You can put them into the little months. So this reads paper ephemera. Is there anything on the back? Nope. So guys, they do such a nice job. Look at this really nice deep plummy color. We've got the hydrangeas with that gorgeous green in there. So lots and lots of journaling spots. You know how gorgeous these would be for a card front? It would, so easy, just plop it on with a nice little sentiment and you would be donezo. Just like that. Just like that, you would be done. So pretty. Okay, so those are gorgeous. What's this? Flowers, Flowers Small Town. Okay. Oh, I guess that's what's in here. So there's like this little package. I mean, they're all little packages. I think it's so cute. But they come in this like little envelope. And then you've got bits. So there's vellum. So there's all kinds of different little patterns. And we have different size papers. Guys, look at the vellum. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And guys, these kits have come as like, oh, that's gorgeous, in clutch. When I've had different challenges and stuff I do for scrapbooking, when they're like, okay, you need to use vellum, you need to use this. And I'm like, yes, I actually have vellum handy because of these kits. It's all true. Okay, so then this is worn pages. Let's see what this is. There are so many bits. So let's see what we have on this one. Oh, are they in the book? Okay, so they're in the book. They have this beautiful texture to them. Such a beautiful texture. It's not like what we see in American scrapbooking. It's very art paper feeling again. Ooh, Statue of Liberty. Sweet little birdie. Oh, look at that. I so will be using that quickly. More hydrangeas going on. This looks like an old-time advertisement, or an advertisement, as my grandfather used to say. Advertisement. So this is a lot more antiqued. It looks tea-stained. Pretty, pretty. A little bit more yellowed in the back of this cute little book. The reason I'm not showing you every page is we have repeats. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Looks like a really old-time advertisement. Isn't she cute? Like with things all stacked up and like already art journaled. Cute. Now what's this? Moking Travel 30 pieces. But it's so little. But they cram 30 pieces in it. So let's see. Okay, so, all right, don't need to keep that packaging. So we've got a nice little vellum envelope. That is like really sturdy vellum, by the way. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Come on. All right. So they're acetate and they're metallic. So we've got like a coppery metallic on them. Oh, they're so pretty. So we have irises and oh gosh, yeah, all kinds of irises, and they're kind of square, they're rectangle, they're sliding everywhere. This one's cut out more. But you guys see that deep coppery color? Oh my word, that is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Little cutouts so that it goes along with the artwork. Guys, they're gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. I cannot say enough. So pretty, so gorgeous. So we've got vellum in here. We've got the different textures of art paper. I mean, the sticker paper. So guys, if you're tactile in nature like I am, you will totally love this stuff. Okay, so these are fun. I think they're stickers. They are. So we've got nice little stickers that kind of are vibing on postage stamp. They totally are. Can you guys see against my thumb right there? They're notched and it's very fine notching. Oh, it came with me. It came with me. So that's fun. Then we have, oh guys. Oh, wow. So this is super, super textury. And I'm trying to see. So it's from Your Creative Studio. There are things. All right, so it's a printed sheet, but trying to see without hurting things. But there's all of these little shapes that are like kiss cut, so you can pull them out, but you'll have, you know, like this gorgeous floral for a background. Okay, I think these are stamps. Wait, no, it says masking tape on it. Hold on, let's see what we have in here. I don't know why I like to keep these labels so nice, but I do. Okay, let's see what this masking tape has going on. Oh, so it's a nice, like, nice color story to it. I see green and blue. Look at that. Let me see. There we go. We can see it slightly better. Look, it's jewelry now. So pretty. So it's got a nice floral print, but it's definitely going, you know, mostly in the blue tones with a little bit of green. Pretty, pretty. Love. Then, let's see. Oh, we have this little package. And it's a little chonky book as well. And it's like the cutest little shape of chonky book. Because chonky book is, you know, like really a word. Okay, let's see. How do you open it? Okay. Oh, there's a little tiny notch on the back. Oh, I murdered it. I tried to keep it nice. See, it just had a little notch and I hurt the little book. All right, so big chunky book again, but it's very, very skinny. Okay, so we have this cute little book, skinny little papers that once again, they have this, like the backside is super smooth, but the printed side is like just a little bumpy. I like it. Oh, raspberries. Gorgeous little, what do you guys think those are? Are they like forget-me-nots? We've got daisies. A close-up of an orangey floral. So super, super pretty. Incredibly usable, guys. Like I'm totally wanting to get my art journal out and just start slapping it down. Love the pops of like the white tones that are in here. Tend to prefer like a little bit of bright with my saturated colors. So it's so cute. And I think next up, I think we have some stamps going, but they're in their little brown envelopes. Oh, that's pretty with the purple and the orange. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Much deeper colors. Those are, I think those are pansies. And I did see at our greenhouse, really pretty black pansies. I was like, yeah, that's kind of cool. And that's my cute little baby book. And then two more little things. So, okay, so here's a cling stamp. Cute little cling stamps. It's so clingy. Oh, wow, there's three. So we've got this one, and they're like red stamps on the back, but there you go for that one. Then we've got this sweet little floral, and then a small one little bud. So cute. And our very last thing, let's go ahead and open that. Our very last thing is also a cling stamp. The last one was 3 cling stamps. It was like better than a BOGO. There we go. Oh, wow, it's big. A big, gorgeous hydrangea. There's butterflies in it, and it is so pretty. Of course, it's the red kind of cling stamp on the flip side. So that's what I have for you. I will have the link down below, which is just yourcreativestudio.com. So you can check out these goodies, get your hands on them, create all of the things. And guys, I will be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.